Hi, I have this pre-opened box. There was a number of things in it, but I just want to show you something else that was in here, if I can get it out. Oops. Open it. Okay, this is a clock radio. Quite a plain box. It says fulfilled by Amazon, because it was. So let's get inside. You have quite a comprehensive booklet actually. There you go. It'll tell you everything you need to know in here. Very important to read it. I haven't had time to read it, so I'm just going to go for it. There you've got your charger, and if I can get the insert out. There you go. And it's got this sort of papery covering to keep it protected. It's quite a size actually. I thought it was smaller than this. So there you go. It looks like an 8-ball. You know, one of those balls that you actually supposed to be able to tell your future with. Right, on the top you've got the big snooze button, and that is massive. That's easy to hit, very easy. So you've got the aerial part here. And then you've got 2 USB ports there, and then you've got a little dial which is for on and off, and there's your battery compartment right by there. So if you wanted batteries in, you could. It's got like a covering on it which is sort of smooth. I don't know how to say it really. On the 2 sides you've got these speakers, and then on the front you've got your LCD display there, and then all your buttons. In the middle is OK Sleep, then you've got set time, then you've got V plus IAL2, V, oh, I guess that's your USB ports there, 1 and 2. Then you've got your hour, your minute, and the mode that you want. So you can either use batteries or you can use your plug. Personally, I would use a plug. I think it's much better. Let me see if I can plug it in to show you what it looks like. It's a bit awkward. Got tons of stuff here, and I need to other stuff, so it's difficult for me to get to the plug socket. I'll turn off the light. Oh, it's gone a bit dark, I know. So I can plug this in. There it goes again with the door. So let me plug this in now. I've seen where it went first, didn't I? Right, where does it go? Oh, it's I'm guessing it's that tiny one here. Yep, and it is. Quite hard to see, but it's by the USB ports on the back. Like the big snooze button showed right then, didn't it? There's a clock. Nice big LED. What do you call it? Panel anyway. So there you go. So you set the time and you can pop in two USB. So you could say you put in a little music plug, whatever, so you can play your music. You've got your quite big buttons here along the front, and you could set this to radio, I'm guessing, as well. There's the mode button. Oh, we got something then. We haven't got a great deal, but we got something. But you would just play around with it, get it all set up the way you liked it. Massive snooze button, I really like that. So there you go. This is a really cool radio. I really alarm, I should say. Sorry. I really like that, and I'm going to be using it. I might need the help of my husband to set it all up, because I'm not very bright at these things, but there you go. I really like that, and the speakers are a really good size, and you've got one on each side. So you can set it up for the the USB ports there, plug something in that you want, and you can play them. And I like the fact that it's mains. I prefer that. I'm not so fussed on batteries, because they run out and it could be through the night when you need it. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope that helps. Have a good day. Bye now.